What's going on, guys? It's been a long time since I've done a video. The reason for that is my own projects are on hold as I'm looking to buy a house. So I'm a little rusty. Anyways,
good.
Yeah,
it's all right.
My money situation is a little tight because I'm buying a house. So track is open though, and I'm down here with Skylar. Last video I did was actually of us taking his car out for a little rip. That was pretty fun right after he got it tuned, and it made 665 if I remember. So since then, he's made a pretty major upgrade, which is...
Bam, bam, bam!
Yeah, he put a sequential in this thing. So we are here to test this out and shake it down, kind of work the bugs out, work on getting the tune-up, you know, set. And my other buddy Mike Adolph is here as well. He just bought a, I'm not sure what year that thing is. It's a 2006 or 7 STI. Has a built bottom end. He's made one pass so far and it went at 12.4. He put his wife in the car for this run, so we're gonna go check that out. And yeah, and then we'll get back to Skylar's car. All right, Mike, what do you think she's gonna run? Call it.
13.6.
13.6.
If she hits a 12. If she hits a 12, she's a fucking racer.
So this is Courtney's first time racing anything stick, anything all-wheel drive.
Second time racing at Bender ever.
Alright, this is going to be Skylar's second shakedown pass. See if raising the launch RPM will help him a little bit. We don't have a two-step setup just yet, so we will see what happens here. At 121, that's quite a bit better. All right, tell me about your first pass.
It sucked.
It sucked.
She learned that you have to pull the clutch out in first gear all of the way.
Really? Huh.
That is partly.
You gotta let it out all the way.
All the way.
Okay. So next time.
Yes.
But.
All the way. But I'm gonna shift at 71, not 6.
Oh, that was the other thing.
Well, that'll help too.
Yes, yeah, she was shifting at 6,000, not 70.
Okay. That's also faster than you've ever been, right?
Yes.
So far?
Yeah.
So next is 13s, right?
Hopefully.
Better go 12 with you driving it too.
Probably not this next one.
Hey, 13? That was only a couple tenths faster. I think that'll probably happen.
Try.
Get that launch down, you're good.
Yeah.
She'll do it.
Let the clutch all the way out.
All the way
Yeah,
out.
all the way
Don't
out.
shift early.
Skylar just went 1150.
Nice.
So that was a huge
Better
improvement for him. Yeah, oh yeah. I think he spun all 4, but I'm not.
Really?
Yeah, it
Damn.
sounded like it.
That's awesome.
We were gonna watch it, but they were fucking rolling. Or they were rolling fast, so I
Yeah, it happens.
had to get down and
Yeah. Well, yeah. You guys will be up here in a few.
Yep.
All right, so that was a much better pass. Looked like it spun all four to me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Very much so.
How'd that feel?
Well, wasn't really ready for it. I'll tell you what. But
wait till you get the strain gauge and stuff set up too,
yes,
man.
The strain gauge is gonna help, and then we
dramatically, like probably a second.
Yeah, we need a bleed. Get one of the clutch bleed, whatever deals where you let off the clutch and then it releases.
Yeah.
I think that'll be the money shot.
Yep, for sure. All right, let me see that time slip.
Yet. Still a 2.0 60 foot.
So we got lots to improve on here, but we got 11.5, and the first pass was a 13.7. So definitely going in the right direction. Anything other than that was notable on the pass?
No, we got a good log here. Really good log. So
yeah. All right.
Well, valuable information. It looks really clean.
Sweet.
So I'm pretty pleased. Pretty pleased. Our guys over at PFI do a great job.
Yeah, they do.
Great job.
Yes. Well, it's Courtney's second pass, but I was up here getting some food, so I'm using my phone. Hopefully this one will turn out all right. Same as last time, 14.1, 101. All right, Mike's in the car again.
Probably stink from the first time.
Mike Robbie said that he's going to say, yeah, because you fucked it up.
My 60 foots are hella better than yours, so we can really shit about nothing.
All right. So I think that was exactly the same time that you ran the first time.
Yep. Yep.
Like to the 100th. I'm not positive, but I think.
1243 and a 1243.
Bracket car.
No, there's a mile an hour the exact same.
Oh my god, off by the
111.
111.
And 111. All right, so we found a possible a possible minor boost leak maybe after reviewing logs.
Yeah, it's running like 17 in one of the logs, which seemed just about 10 pounds shy where she was.
Yeah.
I think I gotta get one more pass in it. Maybe get home and have a good solid stare at it, rework a couple of couplings, make sure everything's looking good. So.
Okay, but yeah, like right on the boost control, there was just a clamp that was loose, so Skylar got that tightened, and we'll see. Hopefully that'll help it a little bit. Yeah. Alright guys, last run for Skylar for this evening. Made a couple more changes. We'll see how those go. Last pass didn't quite get what we were looking for, but
what do you do? Get them on the next one.
Yeah, that's why we're here testing.
Not bad for driving it the first time.
Yeah. So it needs a little more RPM on the launch still. And
yeah, we need. We got to get some strain gauge in. We got to get back on the dyno. We got to get a 2-step put in it because it doesn't even have one of those.
Yeah.
We need to get that launch RPM up and do some more testing. I think we'll be in good shape.
Yeah, we looked at the logs and it looks like at least on the passes for this evening, you know, 3 to 4 tenths between lifting off the throttle, shifting, and then getting back on the throttle. So, I mean, I wouldn't expect to gain a full 3 to 4 tenths by putting the strain gauge in per shift, but obviously it is going to help dramatically.
Yeah, ran into a couple boost issues too, so we got to do some digging on that and see what's going on there and get that fixed up, because obviously running 7 pounds less boost is a little bit of a hindrance on the performance side. But
yeah,
we did see, we definitely saw, you know, the 11.5. That's the fastest I've ever gone. Super stoked.
Yeah.
And that was at 120, and
progress is progress. So
we did multiple passes just now at 122, 123, 124 traps. So
heck yeah.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Well, we'll keep plugging away, and next time Skylar comes down, I'll do my best to join him and bring you guys some more footage. Coming up, I am still going to do Rocky Mountain Race Week. I will be taking the Audi along with Todd. He'll be my co-pilot to tag along. I really wanted to get the Civic done, but with the house purchase coming along, that project is unfortunately on hold. When I start working on that again, I'll start doing some more videos on that as well and keep you guys informed. So just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Well, got a little work to do. You'll have that. Not bad for the first day, first race, all of everything. Just drove it.